Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, pound US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now. And as we all know, GBP USD is extremely bullish right now after the Fed's meeting. When Feds declared that there will be an inflation for short term and coronavirus or COVID-19 will be a part of our day-to-day life because of new variants coming in. Therefore, the US dollar started seeing selling pressure, and on the other hand, currencies like euro and pound started going up, and there is no doubt that market is extremely bullish right now. GBP is extremely bullish, and considering the trend of the market, or the thumb rule of the market says follow the trend. Trend is your friend, and this trend is in uptrend. Therefore, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, because there is no doubt that if you just look at this particular portion of the chart, then there is no doubt, there should not be any doubt that this market is an uptrend. If there are 100 traders present here, then out of 100 traders, 75 are buyers and only 25 are sellers. Therefore, it will be wise enough, or it will be wise for us to side or take side of the buyers, because this market is being dominated by buyers right now. Clear? So we should mainly look for buying opportunities. Second important point for trading is AOV. As I have clearly spoken in my hundreds and hundreds of videos, that before executing any order, we should look for area of value or the best trading opportunity. So in an uptrend market, the best trading opportunity is always near the support. Whereas if a market is falling, or if the market is in downtrend, the best trading opportunity is always near the resistance. So this market is an uptrend, therefore we should find the support here. And as you can see, I have got three lines here drawn on the chart. So those lines are important. Let's discuss one by one. So first and foremost, this is a trend line. Okay, this is a trend line, and right now market is in sharp uptrend. Therefore, we can consider that this trend line will act as a support for the market. If you do not have these lines in your trading platform, then my dear friend, I'll request you to draw these lines so that you can analyze the chart better, so that you can understand the market better. So you can see that this trend line is trying to act as a support for the market, or dynamic support for the market, rather I'll say. And during the last trading session, market has just closed at the trend line, and you can see that after that market has seen some small price rejection from below, and market has formed a small candle, so which clearly signifies that yes, market is trying to respect this trend line as a valid support. So this trend line is clear. Now let's come down to this level 1.37550. This is the most important level in the chart of the GBP USD, because this support level belongs to the weekly chart. If I take you to the weekly chart here, then you can clearly see that market has taken support at this level, and this level has been acting as a support for the market for quite some time, for a couple of months. Whenever market is coming down, this is the level that is not allowing the market to go down, which clearly signifies that some big bulls, the big players, are sitting at this level. Some institutional buyers are present in this level, and they are not allowing the market to go down at any cost. Therefore, this level is the most crucial level for the market. And if we look at the chart, weekly chart here, then one thing we have understood, that in case we see some heavy selling pressure also in the future, then this is the level that will provide support to the market. Clear? Okay. Let's go back to the our 4 hours chart again. So these two levels are clear. Now let's discuss about the third one. The first one is clear, second one is clear. So this third line, This third line was the resistance of the market. Okay, this was the resistance of the market. In your charting platform, you can easily see that market made some highs here, and when market crossed these levels, this became the support for the market, because there is a concept that resistance becomes support and support becomes resistance. If you're not familiar with this concept, then I'll cover this in some other video. But right now, this resistance has become support, and you can see that market is just standing at the support only. Therefore, during the last trading session, market has closed at the double support. This first support of the trend line, trend line, and the second is the this level. So right now market is standing at a very good position, or I will say a very lucrative position. 1.3904. This is the last traded price of the market, and right now market is just standing at a very good position. So you have understood the overall analysis. Okay, so let the market open on Monday. Okay, I'm telling you about a strategy now. Okay, let the market open on Monday and just see how the price is doing, because see, this chart is also very much related or directly related to the chart of DXY. This is the chart of US dollar. Okay. And in case dollar starts going down, then you'll see pound going up. But on the other hand, if dollar starts going up, then you will see pound GBP USD going down. Keep in mind. So this chart is extremely important, and as you can see here, the whole setup of dollar index has changed now. Okay, right now the market is under the dominance of sellers, and in case market goes up from here, then again it will face resistance and it will go down. Therefore, what should be our strategy for GBP USD? In case it starts going up from here only, then you can go for buy. Okay, in case you start market going up from this particular level, you can easily go for a buy here. On the other hand, if you find market slipping, the market going below these two levels, do not be scared, do not be afraid, because when dollar will be going down again, you will see GBP USD trying to take support at this level and going up. So you can get a position, or you'll get a good position at this trend line. So whatever happens, just wait for the market to cross this trend line or support level, then only go for buy order. Or on the other hand, if market directly starts going up from here, then it's well and good. And if somehow something bad happens and market starts coming down, then this level will provide support to the market. And if we look at the Forex Sentiment meter here, this is the Forex Sentiment meter. You'll find on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. The Forex Sentiment meter is saying that 77% retail traders have taken short position and only 22% traders have taken long position. My dear friends, as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money, and the main reason of losing money is that they stand against the trend of the market. So do you think that in this uptrend, in this strong bullish market, you should take short opportunity? No, my dear friend, you should not. So therefore, do not take side of the retail traders, otherwise you will end up making loss. And if you're wondering how much volatility you can expect, then you can come down to the volatility calculator here, and you can see that GBP USD, yeah, how much movement you can expect. In the 30 minutes chart, you can expect 4.8 pips. In the 1 hour chart, you can expect around 10 pips. In the 4 hours chart, you can expect around 70 pips movement. Okay. And in the daily chart, you can expect around 83 to 84 pips movement. So this is the volatility you can expect from the GBP USD chart right now. You'll also find this thing on my website. So wait for the market to open on Monday and then decide. If it jumps directly from the support, then it's well and good. If dollar starts going up from here, then market may slip a little bit. Okay, market may come down a little bit, but again it will be going up again. So do not need to worry. Wait for the perfect opportunity. So this is it. Hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday again.